Welcome to Big Sur, a dramatic stretch of California's central coast where the Santa Lucia Mountains plunge straight into the Pacific Ocean. As you cruise along Highway 1, one of the most iconic road trips in the world, you're met with sweeping ocean vistas, steep cliffs, and the constant roar of waves crashing below. The road itself feels like an adventure, narrow, winding, and always revealing new scenery around every curve. One of the most breathtaking landmarks is the Bixby Creek Bridge. Perched high above a rugged canyon, this architectural marvel offers panoramic views of the Pacific, and it's become an icon of the California coast. At sunrise or sunset, the bridge glows, casting long shadows on the water below. Inland, the towering redwood forests create a different kind of magic. These ancient trees, some over 1,000 years old, form quiet cathedrals of green. Walk through their trails and you'll hear only birds, wind, and your own footsteps. Shafts of sunlight pierce the canopy, illuminating ferns and forest mist. Head back to the coast and you'll find Pfeiffer Beach, a hidden treasure known for its unique purple sand and the famous keyhole rock. As the sun sets, light pours through the rock's natural arch, creating a golden beam over the crashing surf, a photographer's dream. And then there's McWay Falls, an unforgettable sight. This waterfall plunges directly onto the beach below, right into the Pacific Ocean, a rare natural wonder that feels like something from a fantasy film. Big Sur is more than just a scenic drive. It's a journey into California's wild soul, untamed, rugged, and humbling. Whether you're camping beneath the stars, hiking cliffside trails, or simply soaking in the view, this place will leave its mark on you.